Oh hey, it's Matthew here. Happy Halloween. Total coincidence, I swear, I planned on dressing up like Colonel Sanders for Halloween 9 months ago. And I'm looking at the video schedule going, I'm gonna post this KFC video. And sure enough, it just happens to fall on Halloween. So you get a quick glimpse of my amazing outfit, Colonel Sanders representing. But I hope you enjoy this episode visiting the best, officially, KFC on Earth. Where on earth do you think that the world's busiest KFC is? Now, it's not in New York, it's not LA, it's not even in the great state of Kentucky. But what you see behind me here is the highest grossing KFC on planet Earth, and it is in Port of Spain, Trinidad. I'm here downtown today. We're gonna check out some of this chicken. It is known as the best, tastiest KFC on planet Earth, and it far surpasses any location when it comes to amount of chicken sold. It actually won a Guinness World Records in 2000 for most volume of chicken sold. It grossed over $66 million in profit, and that was way back in 2000. It's still selling more than any other location in 2024. So let's go see what makes this KFC so great. All right, it's busy here. What's up, man? Right downtown, Port of Spain. I did find parking right outside. Right, not even too much of a lineup. I heard this is the busiest KFC in the world.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get something good then. What, is it any different than the other KFC or?
I'm not so sure.
Not so sure, okay, but it's still number one. Could I get a super deal, I guess?
Sure. It has no super deal. It has no biscuit available, so you get a large fries.
Okay, I can live with that. That's fine.
Right, Pepsi, banana, or water.
I'll do a Pepsi, I guess.
That will be $30.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are the biscuits normally out or is just today?
It's normally out just today.
Okay. It's not like you get here too late and they're gone?
No.
It's just today is a bad day?
Yeah,
Okay.
just today.
Okay, thank you, miss. Oh man, I wanted to try the biscuit, but it's okay. So how spicy is the spicy one?
It's spicy, but not that everybody can enjoy it.
So it's slight spice?
Yes, it is.
Okay, as they say over here. Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoyed it.
Will do. All right. Did you know it's the #1 KFC in the world here?
Yes.
You did know? I heard, I'm from Canada visiting, and at first I heard it was Montego Bay, Jamaica, but it's not true, it's here. Enjoy. Thank you. All right, we're gonna go for some hot sauce. All right, here we are, set up. Busiest KFC on planet Earth. Yeah, I think it's been 5 years since I had KFC. Probably was in Montego Bay, Jamaica with Mark Weens and Jamaica Food Boss. So shout out to those guys. Actually, I think they just linked up recently and did another video in KFC. So I'll link that one down below. And I'll link the one that we did in 2020. But like I said, when it comes down to busiest KFCs, the busiest as far as foot traffic goes might be at the Beijing train station. But when it comes down to actual volume of chicken sold, an amount of dollars running through the till, it comes down right here, Port of Spain, Independence Square. So the fries look nice and big, super crispy. And let's see if there's any difference. It's been so long, I don't even know if I'll be able to tell. Yeah, there's some good ass fries. Definitely crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Ketchup sauce, very nice. So far, it's making sense. Now when I came here, I thought it was gonna be lined up out the door because in Jamaica, when I've been before years past, there's lines, pretty big lines. And even a drive-thru on a Sunday night, I've been stuck in the drive-thru for like 40 minutes. So it's quite nice to see how efficient this one is. People are just running through, no problem. Lineup took 10 minutes to get food, not even, so very on point when it comes down to speed. So if you're hungry, that's a good touch. And the sizes are, I guess, gigantic, fast food styles, they usually are. As you know, it's not the usual type of food that I make content about, but when it's number one in the world, we kind of gotta test it out. So here we go. Well, that is a huge piece of chicken for the price. I think I paid 30 TNT dollars. It is super crispy, very hot, fresh as it gets. Chicken size, huge. We're gonna try the hot one first. So I got the spicy. Let's see how spicy it is. Just steaming hot, perfectly crispy, perfectly fresh. That is actually really, really damn good. I am impressed because the Montego Bay location I had amazing chicken at. There's another location in Jamaica which I will not name, but it was probably the worst KFC that I ever had. So that's why I haven't been back in quite a while. But this, honestly, this really does hit the spot. This one's crunch. Juicy, thick. Now it's not even that hot, even though I got the spicy version, so you got the extra pepper sauce. Let's see if you can add some pepper on there. Always start small with pepper, you don't want to go too crazy. Wow, that is actually some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. I know that pepper flavor from anywhere. Actually, really damn good too. Yeah, I need more pepper sauce on there. That is money. Ooh, look at that. Scotchy all over the place. Oh. I'm still impressed with the size of the chicken, the crispiness, the freshness. You can tell this hasn't been sitting around waiting to go. It freshly come out of the oven there, or the fryer. Out of the biscuits, unfortunately, but you get the large fry. It's pretty big. It's a lot of fries right there. So. I'm feeling it.
You want the best pepper? Best pepper?
Yes, tell me where. I believe it. Pepper sauce. See how it goes with the fries. Scotchy color, right? Ooh. I might have to go re-up on the Scotchy sauce. And what's your name?
Anna Sarah.
Anna Sarah. Nice to meet you. Thanks for having me, Matthew. It's actually really good. I'm so surprised. I mean, I don't eat it at home because it's not as good at home. But there's something about being in the Caribbean where Jamaica does it really good and here does it really good too. And we don't get the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Do you know what else is in the sauce? Like the ingredients? It's a secret. Just like the KFC secret. Got it.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. All right, there you go. Secret. Secrets all over. Now I heard there's actually some drama lately. I don't know how it happened. It came up in my Instagram feed. But I believe it's grand nephew of Harland, the Colonel Sanders, the original KFC creator. He's been battling with the KFC Corporation about them kind of turning Colonel Sanders into more of like a hip, sexy 2025 version of the Colonel instead of the old school Colonel that you have here with the nice tie and the white suit. So I'm not gonna get into it. I'm just here to enjoy it. But I'll put a link to Mr. Sanders down below and you can check it out and let me know in the comments what you think about that. You know me, I normally avoid the drama, but I was kind of surprised to see that, oh, there's some drama within the Colonel Sanders family. Ooh. I think if you're a spice head, the spicy batter itself is not too spicy. You can handle it. And even the pepper sauce, I mean, obviously we're in Trinidad, so the pepper sauce can be hardcore. This is a nice flavorful pepper sauce. Again, I can't tell exactly what's in it either, other than I do taste that scotchy, that unmistakable Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So in 2024, although it's been 25 years since they won the official Guinness Book of World Records for most chickens sold, they did, according to ChatGPT here, over $66 million profit. I'm not talking gross, I'm talking profit. So I don't know if you can crunch the numbers on that and see how many chickens that turns out to, or how many orders, average orders is, but for one location in a, you know, bigger city, but still very small compared to any of these big US cities, which you might imagine the busiest one to be in, that is a massive, massive number. Still a lot left. So that was 30 TNT dollars, which works out to $4.42 US. So a pretty damn good deal for a big piece of chicken, big drink, fries, and like I said, you normally get the biscuit. We didn't get the biscuit today, but we got the large fries instead. So I think as far as reasonable goes, that's way up there. Well, the super reasonable meals you can get. So the competitor here, and another local favorite, is Royal Castle. Probably KFC's biggest local competitor, so I might have to go and check out and see how Royal Castle lines up compared to the number one KFC. All right, well that's it from the world's busiest KFC on planet Earth, Port of Spain, Trinidad. Please leave a comment below if you have a bigger or better one. But I do have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. It exceeded my expectations. I guess it's number one for a reason. So check back soon. Lots of more food videos, lots more natural stuff too. Bless up, thank you for watching.